We're going to talk about the divisibility rules of 5 and 10. So how do I know if a random number is divisible by 5 and 10? So a number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit, the last digit, is either a 5 or a 0. Those are the only two things it could be. Now we can test this out first by counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 100, 120, 125. So every number I'm listing ends in a 5 or a 0. Now this works because if we look at our block of 100, 5 is half of a column, 10 is a full column. So we could double it and get 20, we can add just one red and get 15, we can add a full column and then another and get 25, and so on. So every time we add 5, we end at either the middle of a column or the end of a column. And 10 is very similar. If we count by tens, every time we count by tens, we end in a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100, and as big as we want. And the reason this works is because we count by tens, everything's a full column. Can't count by tens and not get a full column, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on, all the way up as much as we want. So for 5 and 10, check the last digit. So whatever number you're thinking of, is the last digit a 0? If it is, then it's divisible by 10. If it ends in a 5 or a 0, then it's divisible by 5 as well. And those are the rules for 5 and 10.